everyone, I'm Justine. On this Therapy Tip Tuesday, I'm going to be discussing the speech and language benefits of reading with your child. Books expose children to a multitude of new words because they often include unfamiliar words, repeat the same words in a variety of sentences throughout the book, which helps children understand the words, offer opportunities for children to hear the same words over and over again with repeated readings, and plus, reading books with your child expands their vocabulary. Books spark children's interest because they often have illustrations with bold colors and topics of interest to young children. Many children's books offer imaginary topics that encourage conversation between caregivers and children. In addition, it's easy for children to show their caregiver what interests them in a book with or without words. They can point, gesture, or draw attention to the pictures. Children learn best when adults are responsive to them. Books promote adults' responsiveness because it's easy to join focus during a book and notice what a child is looking at and talking about. The calm visual nature of the activity focuses the child, and this makes it easier for the adult to follow the child's lead and respond to their interests. Vocabulary and grammar are often learned together and help each other develop. Children need to hear new words and grammatically correct sentences in order to learn language efficiently. Books promote this principle of language learning because children have the opportunity to hear new words within the grammatical sentences of the story. Reading books promotes joint attention. Joint attention refers to the shared attention by parents either focusing on their child's attention or parents drawing the child's focus on their own attention when participating in shared book reading. This is usually visual attention, such as referring to the pictures throughout the story. Solid research evidence has shown that joint attention plays an important role in advancing the development of communication skills and language. Books are also beneficial when targeting specific sounds for articulation therapy. Just find a book that targets a sound or sounds being worked on in speech therapy. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle is one of my favorite books to use to target speech and language. This book is packed with so many learning concepts, such as sequencing, days of the week, numbers, colors of fruit, vocabulary, and a lot more. The following are some activities you can incorporate to target speech and language by using the Very Hungry Caterpillar. You could target articulation by having your child go on a sound hunt for words and pictures that have the sound they are working on. Categorization could be targeted by having your child sort fruits and vegetables while also building their vocabulary. Practice describing a caterpillar or a butterfly by their attributes. Do the same thing with the food in the story. Have a taste test to describe fruit as crunchy, juicy, sweet, sour. Describe the color, the shape, the size, and the category it belongs in. Target present and past tense for verbs, as well as marking plural nouns that happen in the story. Your child can describe the verb actions in each picture. For example, the caterpillar ate 4 strawberries. Your child could work on sequencing through retelling the story. You could use the pictures as a visual aid if necessary. Books create positive interactions between adults and children. They help develop basic language skills and expand vocabulary. They are interactive and help develop critical thinking skills. And they help nourish your child's imagination. See you all next Therapy Tip Tuesday.